I'm honored that I was 8th commanding officer of the ship. This has served the nation and Indian Coast Guard for approximately 26 and a half years. And though the ship is decommissioned today, we have exploited it, Coast Guard has exploited it to the maximum, optimally. It has covered around 6 lakhs nautical miles of sailing during this period. And Coast Guard is on expansion mode and adding a number of ships in times to come. And we will be stabilizing somewhere in 200 or odd ships in our inventory as and when we stabilize.
So any new ships are being built at different locations?
Yeah, different locations. As far as my knowledge goes, it is around 6 OPVs we are making, and we are also planning to acquire hovercraft. We have just concluded the contract for FPVs also, which is mid-size ships, 55 meters approximately. We have a lot of expansion plan because nation needs it. Government of India is supporting us. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Generally, over all the India programs of the institutes.
Sir, any plans for Goa, like hovercraft, ship for Goa?
See, that is not correct on my part to say because I am not from Coast Guard headquarters. Coast Guard headquarters is a better person to know it. I am commanding operational reason for that matter. But yes, we, as far as my knowledge goes, hovercraft are being procured by the Coast Guard.
So, what are the major achievements achieved by the Sangram?
Sangram, as you know, that it was the first ship to go across to South China Sea and Japan, as far as Japanese relationship with the Japanese Coast Guard and Indian Coast Guard are concerned. As you also know that off Gujarat coast, it has caught 600 crores worth of narcotics drug in one single operation. And achievements are long, so it will not be correct to me list out here one or two which I have told you the one of the achievements. Thank you very much.
For a normal Indian to know, what is the factor to decide upon decommissioning of a ship, and what happens to the ship after doing decommissioning?
Okay, what happens after the ship has lived its life? Everybody has a life. Ship also has a life. It has lived, in fact, more than expected, around 26 years or so. Now, sometimes it is, used for different purposes, and that's all. I think I'll rather keep it clear on me.
Thank you.